Pink Power began in 2006 when Ted saw Tara cleaning his office. We were cleaning it together, Tara and I were. And Ted was like, "Hey, I just lost my housekeeper. Is your wife interested in cleaning my space?" And Tara's like, "Sure, yeah, I'll give it a shot." And, so Ted really enjoyed what Tara was doing. And then he started telling one friend, that friend told another friend. And people just kept telling and sharing the stories. And that's how we came about, is because friends were telling friends about the service and how much they were enjoying it. And over the years, what we've been able to do is we've been able to define our core values. What are the things that make us drive? What are the things that make us different? And we were able to go ahead and figure out the things that, okay, here's the things that make us different than other services. Maybe here's some of the things that are the same as other ones. And us define who we are. And these are the things that help attract. So for example, we're customer facing, and we go beyond what we normally say we're just going to do, and we step it up. We show up in a great way, building relationships. And some of the ways that we build those relationships is in the community. We're doing outreaches. We're in the community giving away some fun stuff. We're making people smile when they see us, because people love to see Pink Power out, and they know it resonates great in the community. And that is one of the things that make us different. Another thing that happens is we have a strong culture, and that culture as a backbone helps define us and establish us. And what I really like is, just like someone would go to the chiropractor to get a spinal adjustment, we have coaches that help tweak us, help us to do better, learn how to relate better with each other. And we're getting education, and we have a course that will help you also be able to communicate with your family and friends better. And so these are awesome things that really make us so much better, having an amazing culture, having an amazing experience with everyone. And what we do also is we get to overcome challenges. So standing out does come with difficulties, but with each challenge, it strengthened us. So for example, over time, we've learned how to be better communicators. We've learned how to help inspire people to succeed, help others achieve their goals. And we've also been able to become a better impact in the community for good. And that's really awesome to see that good happening. Now, something that is kind of cool about us is our customer-centric approach of how we bring the customers in and make them feel like they're part of it. And they get such a great experience with you guys. They get to know you, and they get to build a relationship with you, and they enjoy seeing you specifically in their place, because you're delivering great service. Whether you're doing a cleaning for them or you're doing a pest control applications, they get to know you and get to understand who you are, and they get to enjoy you, because we attract great people. So the final message is that Pink Power has a vision, a passion, and we're committed to excellence and dedication. So with that, I look forward to seeing you in the next video and seeing what you have for us.